This is how you can create a private Wi-Fi network using your iPhone. To make this work, you're going to need a cell phone plan with data, and sometimes a lot of data depending on what you're doing on this Wi-Fi network that you're creating. And if you get value from this video at any point, please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps the channel and I really appreciate it, so thank you for doing that. Hop into the Settings app to get started, and then scroll down on the very first settings page till you see Personal Hotspot. Tap on that. Here, beside Allow Others to Join, toggle that on. And now our phone is transmitting its own Wi-Fi network. It's going to have a specific name. In my case, it's called iPhone, and people can just connect to it using their Wi-Fi settings. If they're using a phone, the Wi-Fi settings are right here. It's not going to show up on my phone because my phone's the one transmitting it, so I can't connect to my own Wi-Fi. But they would have an entry here somewhere that says hotspot or personal hotspot, and then it's going to have your phone name. And when they tap on it, they are going to be asked to enter a password. This is the password right here. Or if their device is an Apple device and it's close enough to yours, you're going to be asked on your phone whether you want them to be allowed to join the network. They can just tap yes and they join. So Apple makes that super easy. And on this personal Wi-Fi, you can use every app and every internet thing that you can usually use on a phone. So it basically so whatever internet you have on your phone already that you personally use, that's what this Wi-Fi is going to allow access to, which should be pretty much anything. This is great for traveling. Maybe you're at an airport, stuck at an airport, and your kids are bored because you've been there for 15 hours, and you just want to let them access the Wi-Fi network, but it's 2 in the morning and the airport shut off theirs. You can turn on your Wi-Fi hotspot and create your own personal private Wi-Fi network that they can connect to and then use. In a lot of situations, it can be really convenient. And when this private Wi-Fi network you've created is not being used, make sure you turn this off, because your phone will constantly be transmitting a signal for your Wi-Fi network, which will drain your battery. And if anybody has seen your password, anybody you don't know, if they've seen this password and they can see your Wi-Fi network, they can just connect to it and use your data when you're not even paying attention. And you don't get a report or notification of someone who connects, they disconnect. And so you want to make sure, whenever you're done, to turn this off. And this video is going to show you how to get back lots of storage on your phone, potentially gigabytes of storage in places you never thought of. So check out that video and I'll see you there.